Hello dear students, today we are going to do some of the problems related to maxima and minima. We have already started the chapter and now we have to solve some more problems from the topic. So in that series, first of all, we are going to do a question. It's question number 9, but I want to modify it a bit. So let us start. See, we need to find the maximum value of the function. I'm saying it, we are finding the maximum and minimum value of fx equals to sin x plus cos x. We are going to calculate the maximum and minimum value of sin x plus cos x. So in maxima minima, we hope you all remember the flow chart, and in that I have taught you we need to calculate f dash x, and this f dash x will be sin x will become cos x, and cos x will become minus sin x. The next step is we need to put f dash x equals to 0. That is cos x minus sin x will become equals to 0, or cos x will become equals to sin x. That is tan x will become equals to 1. It is only possible when x equals to pi by 4 and tan is also positive in the third quadrant, mean pi plus pi by 4 or 5 pi by 4. At these two values, tan x will be 1. Now we need to calculate f double dash x. F double dash x, cos x will become negative of sin x will become cos x. So this is f double dash x. We are going to put the value of x in this. So first of all, I am going to put f double dash pi by 4. It gives us minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 both are positive. Positive into negative will be negative. Negative means function will be maximum. Function will be maximum at x equals to pi by 4. At x equals to pi by 4, function will be maximum. So maximum value of the function will be f pi by 4 at f pi by 4. So it will be sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. This implies to 2 upon root 2, or root 2 is the maximum value of the function. Whereas I have told you we need to calculate maximum and minimum value. So for minimum value, now we are going to put f 5 pi by 4. So f double dash 5 pi by 4 will be giving us minus sin 5 pi by 4 minus cos 5 pi by 4. Just try to understand minus. In third quadrant, sin is negative, minus again cos is also in third quadrant negative. So positive and positive overall will be positive. Positive minimum. Minimum value will be at x equals to 5 pi by 4. So f 5 pi by 4 will give us the minimum value of the function. So it will be function is sin x plus cos x, sin 5 pi by 4 plus cos 5 pi by 4. It will give us minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 or minus root 2. So the minimum value of the function will be negative root 2 and maximum value of the function will be positive root 2. So like this way we could calculate, and this is one of the concept making question. Now another thing we are going to do, this is one of the very important question, and I feel if it comes in the board examination then also no problem. Earlier also many times this question has come in the board examination. It is question number 19. Whereas 17 and 18, these questions I'll do tomorrow. So today, because of the board result, I'll not be able to teach you online. show that of all the rectangles inscribed in a circle, inscribed in a given fixed circle, square has the maximum area. So first of all, we are going to make a circle. In this we need to fit one rectangle, so I am going to put one rectangle in it. What we need to do, what we are supposed to do, we need to show when it is a square, then its area will be maximum. Circle is given to us. This will be the diameter, because in rectangle this angle is 90 and angle of semicircle is 90. This means this is diameter, that is radius 2r. This I am saying as x for just words, and this I am saying as y. Angle theta, we will be going with the angle, but I have taken that x and y. Now the value of x and value of y I am going to calculate. So base is x and hypotenuse is 2r. Base upon hypotenuse will be cos theta. So x will be equals to 2r cos theta. Now perpendicular component y upon 2r. This will become sin theta. So y will be equals to 2r sin theta. I have made base and perpendicular components from this particular triangle. Now we are going to think about, it will be having maximum area when it is a square, maximum area. So we are going to discuss about the area of rectangle, and area of rectangle will be equals to x into y, length into width. Length is 2r cos theta and width is 2r sin theta. Just try to see, this is 2r square into 2 sin theta cos theta. I could write it 2r square sin 2 theta. Now try to understand, 2 is a constant, r is the given radius, so only theta is the variable. So it will be function of theta. Think about it, it is function of theta. Function of theta means to say the given function is one variable function. When it becomes one variable, then only we can say it as function. Now we need to differentiate it, so it will become f dash theta, that becomes 2r square. Differentiation of sin 2 theta will become cos 2 theta and 2 theta will become 2. Now we need to put f dash theta equals to 0, means 4r square cos 2 theta will be equals to 0, that is cos 2 theta will be equals to 0, or 2 theta will be equals to pi by 2. It is pi by 2 as well as 3 pi by 2, but 3 pi by 2 will go beyond the conditions in the rectangle. This angle could not be that much, so theta will be pi by 4. It will be, if theta will be pi by 4, then f dash theta will be equals to 0. Now we are looking for the maximum minimum condition, that is the main task we need to maximize. But with pi by 4, just try to see, this angle is pi by 4, this angle is 90, this will automatically will be pi by 4. So think pi by 4, 90, pi by 4, these two angles will become equal, and if the two angles are equal, this and this both angles are pi by 4, so side opposite to equal angles will be equal. It means these two sides will be equal, or I can say x will be equals to y for theta equals to pi by 4. For theta equals to pi by 4, x will become equals to y. That means it is rectangle in the case. Now when it is rectangle, sorry, it is square, pi for pi by 4, rectangle becomes square. Now we need to check for the maximum condition. So f double dash theta, f double dash theta, its differentiation we need to do. 4 r square cos 2 theta will become minus sine 2 theta. Then 2 theta again becomes 2. Overall we are able to see negative in maximum. So now the conclusion, area will be maximum when theta will be equals to pi by 4. That is, rectangle must be a square. When the rectangle becomes square, then area will be maximum. The rectangle which was inscribed in the circle, when this rectangle will be equals to square, at that time its area will be maximum. So that we have shown, if this angle becomes 45, that is the condition, this rectangle will be a square and it will be having the maximum area, because it is coming negative. We know that if f double dash x is coming negative, that is the indication for the maximum area. One more question we are going to do now. This is also a very good and interesting question. Question number 27. See, in this question it is asked that the point on the curve is given to us, x square equals to 2y, x square equals to 2y is nearest to the point 0.5. This is nearest to the point 0.5. This is the curve, there's a point 0.5. This is nearest to the curve. Nearest to the curve means this distance must be least. This distance must be least. We are supposing on the curve a point x comma y. So the distance will be x minus 0 to whole square plus y minus 5 to whole square. This will be equals to distance square. So distance square is x square plus y minus 5 to whole square. Value of x square I am going to put, so it becomes 2y plus y square minus 10y plus 25. So I could write in a simple way, y square minus 8y plus 25 is the function of y. One variable conversion gives us the function. So now it's differentiation, double differentiation, that condition we need to implement. But first of all, try to think once more. This was the curve. We need to find the shortest distance from this point to this curve. So that point we are going to calculate. Such questions are coming in different ways and it's important also. So let us think first, then I'll explain you what type of questions are asked based on this. F dash y, first derivative of this will give us the condition 2y minus 8. F dash y must be equals to 0, that is 2y must be equals to 8, or y will be equals to 4. We have got the value of y. Y value we are going to put into the curve. Curve is given to us, x square is equals to 2y, so x is equals to 2 into 4. X square is equals to 8. That implies x equals to plus minus 2 root 2. The value of x is plus minus 2 root 2. So the points are 2 root 2, 4 and minus 2 root 2, 4. These are the points which are nearest to the point 0, 5. but now we need to think nearest means the shortest, the least. So f double dash y, this must be positive to minimize. So the differentiation will be 2 means positive, positive means minimum. So it will be nearest to the point, this point 2 root 2 4 and minus 2 root 2 4 will be nearest to 0 5. Now similar to this, many times questions are asked. That questions we must see. This example number 41, an Apache helicopter of enemy is flying along the curve, means curve is given. In that question also curve was given. A soldier is placed at this, want to shoot down the helicopter when it is nearest to him, find the nearest distance. In this we need to calculate d also. So at the end we will be putting the values of x and y in this, and we will be getting the least distance. Rest this question is same. Similar to this, many more questions are asked in the board examination also. So please take care of this. If similar to this question comes, then you must be able to do. Keep revising, solve these questions. Rest we will meet in the next online class. In that I'll try to solve your doubts. Please keep practicing. At least these 3 questions you must do very well, and that Apache helicopter question you try to do. Similar to this question, a question came in board examination also. That was, a triangle is inscribed. A triangle is inscribed in a semicircle. A triangle is inscribed in a semicircle. Prove that its area will be maximum when it is isosceles. So it is totally same. This you could take x, this you could take y, this one is theta, and this will be 2r. So same ways you could do this also. So similar to this, many questions in the board examination are also asked. So please keep practicing, do revise. We'll meet in the next online class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep studying. Be at home. Be safe. Thank you.